Home Depot. First time being in the store since 2022. Now it is a new year, so 2023, and they have all their holiday and red pot shrubs 75% off, which they look like this. So I'm going to scope around the store out here and see what is going on. So come along with me and let's see what we can find. All right, let's walk around here. And as you can see, they have these are 75% off, which are these things here, which is those little decorations. And they said in red pots. So this little item over here was considered a red pot. So this one is $44.98. Big haul Christmas tree. They're cute though, but it's not the season for them anymore. But this is what they're calling the red pots, which look like this. So I'm in the garden center, just roaming around. You know, you just need to get out and see what's happening in these YouTube streets. So that is what I am doing today. So let's see what else we can find. I got this one dark brown whiskey barrel, which is this one right here. It's a pretty small size, because look at the size of it with my hand. It's not very big, and they want $5.98 for it. I'm trying to find deals that are under $10 for you guys. So let me keep hunting, because look at these prices. This price for this container is $16.98, and it's for this container, another whiskey barrel. And this is a 19.2, and you can put two hands in here. One hand over here and another hand over here. So this has a nice little planting thing, but not for $16.98. Let's see what else I can find. This one planter for $2.97. It's a blue one, and I've got it down here. And this one is a pretty nice size, and this is what it looks like. You can put two hands in here, so that makes it a good surface. It's a nice little pot. I wish I liked blue, but you know. So if you're looking for a nice, cute, hard, stable resin pot, this is the one, and this is what the dimensions are. Let's see how it says. Frost resistant, which we all like. And it has a hole in the bottom. So not bad for $2.97, which used to be $11.98. So this is a good deal. This is another one for, it's a blue, and it's for $8.97. And it's one of these big pots. This size pot here, which is an amazing price, and $8 isn't bad for this price. So you could have this big pot here, which is, it's a 16.3 inch pot, which is, like I said, a nice size. And then you can put it with that $2.97 pot. That would be perfect. If blue, cobalt blue is your color, child, you better jump on it. All right, let's keep on searching. These little baskets where you can put all your supplies in, and they mount on the wall, and they are only $9.57, which is pretty cool. And this is what they look like. Beautiful. And they're showing you an example of what you could put in there. But you can pretty much put whatever you want in there. But this is a price under $10, you guys, and I'm at Lowe's. Another deal under $10, and these are these plastic planters that look like this. These are the small ones. They look like an inside have a hole. This would be cute for like herb gardens. And these are the prices for them. We have one, the clearance price for 8.4 is $407. And you got a red refill planter, which I don't see that one, and that's $447. And then you have a whiter one, which is a white one, and they're all $4.47. So these ones I would say would be $4.47. And then the bigger ones like this would be, this is a 12.8 and it's $10.07. All right, so if you're in that blue category, seems like Lowe's trying to get rid of all their blue stuff. So let me step back so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And those are the prices. Not the $12.98, not the $9.98. It's the yellow stickers. Clearance, clearance. Yellow stickers at Lowe's. Only statues I see that's under our $10 mark is these rabbits. See this rabbit right here with the crack head? Maybe you can get like an extra discount if yours are cracked. But these rabbits right here are $6.77. They were $26.98. So if you want a niblet, a fake one that doesn't eat your food, this is the perfect statue for you. You can have your very own niblet for $6.77 at Lowe's. Pavers and stones if you need that for your garden. Here is just a quick overview of the ones that they have. Comes in that red and that gray. Still under a price point of $10. These ones they use when they're making those raised beds with just using wood. Those big old Pavers. I need to get one of those for my Buddha. Perfect. And this one right here is $4 and something. Yeah, $4.98. Sorry. Purse fell off my shoulder. It's hard work being in these YouTube streets. At the top one so you guys can see. There's nothing in that $1.48. These are our cheapest things yet. 58 cents for these bricks. Those are paver bricks. Alright, you guys. Oh, look at this one down here. This big one, which would be perfect for my Buddha. It's $5.08. And then you got the solid gray ones and this rustic one for $7.18. This one right here, for me, would be a good one, $4.18. Alright, guys. If I don't see anything else, I will come back and let you know. This is in a bird bath pedestal for $4.67. Used to be $18.98. That's not bad. See, and it's made of concrete. This bad boy is heavy. Let me see if I can lift it up so you guys can see. See, bird bath. It's a small baby bird bath that you would probably put on a concrete base. But even if you just want to put it on your retaining wall or your tabletop, this will be perfect. And it's only $5. This, I would say, would be the pick of the day. Yeah, $4.67. Alrighty, guys, I'll continue to look. But that's the bird bath right there. Nice size. And its dimensions are 12 inches by 21. And that's the height. 21 inches is the height. So that's a pretty good deal. I'll let you get a close-up so you can see for yourself. Nice deal. Woohoo! I may have to pick up one of these, but shoot, this thing is so heavy. Another deal under $10, and this is a blue tabletop ceramic fountain for $8.67. That would be cute on my little table. But it's blue. Too bad this bad boy didn't come in another color. I would jump on that for sure. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. I love it. Here, if you need a sprinkler, this is what it looks like. And this is how much it costs. Regular $9.98. and it's $7.97. Alright, I'm over here where they have all the fertilizer and stuff. I'm hoping some of that would be on clearance. Fingers crossed. Let's go check it out. Guys, they got their spraying wands right here. It's blue again. Blue must be the color that they're getting rid of at Lowe's. And it's a long one. That's a shut off. Not bad. This is only $5. And this has all the settings on here. What the sprayer looks like. Not bad. And I like it because it's like a thumb action. Have to do all that twisting. Easy peasy. Love this boy. I'm telling you, blue must be the color for clearance for Lowe's. And for that wand again was $5.97. You see, there's no clearances over here. And all the stuff that us gardeners really need. So it's all full price. And they still have their tulips and stuff that are 50% off inside. But they were playing music, so I didn't want to deal with the copyright strike. So I'm just out in the garden center, just goofing around, trying to find our new thing on Renee's channel. Things you can find at Lowe's for $10. Yeah, under $10, or $10 and a little bit of change. So look for that new added feature to my garden channel. Alright guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. And Miss Renee will check you out in the next video. Even though this stuff isn't on clearance, they still have things that are at a price point. Like these Job fertilizer spikes for $1.98. So, and here you go. You have some of the plant food spikes indoors, $3.98. So that still fits under our challenge. Right along with this. Tomato and vegetable plant food. Alright guys, like I said, look for this new segment on Renee's Garden. Deals at Lowe's for under $10. And I hope that will help us save as much money as we can and keep it in our pocket. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and I'll see you again in the next video.